Blutbart.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. This week I'm going to show you how to make a dense humid forest. I call this shot Hunted. Let's jump right in. I began my setup by placing an old baking sheet filled to the brim with water in front of my background TV. I used an image of Nal Hutta as my background as I was creating a scene based on the new Mandalorian and Grogu movie. Next, I positioned a piece of driftwood in the water for my hunter to stand on. With the basics in place, I posed Embo and Grogu before building out the rest of the scene around them. I wanted to make this diorama feel dense and alive, so I dressed up the set with some real moss. I also used some plastic aquarium decorations for some 6-inch scale foliage. Next, I surrounded my set with a frame made of PVC piping. This would later support my vines, but first I stuck a few branches in the background to act as trees. To finish the scene, I strategically draped several meters of thick green yarn over my frame to fill up the background of my shot with vines. Right before taking my shot, I misted the dry parts of my set with a spray bottle, then used a portable fog machine to add some atmosphere. Here's my starting image. Very little editing was needed for this shot. My biggest change was masking in a second exposure of Grogu to make sure both my subjects were in focus. After that, it was mostly a matter of fine-tuning the lighting and color grading. I added adjustment layers for levels, color balance, hue, and saturation, as well as a vignette and a green photo filter, then made some other basic touch-ups with the healing brush tool and dodge and burn tools. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and make sure to check me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.